Of course, we're not finished creating the database yet. We also need to create tables in the database. So we'll create a new PHP file called alphacrmtablecreate.php in just the same way as before. This should be getting streamlined now, as we'll use the same sequence many times throughout this course. Start with a fresh untitled code pane. Insert the tags and documentation by pasting the snippet project new PHP script file. Saving the file by copying the name from the comment and pasting it to the file name. Type the description after the words "this script." Insert the DB connection code under the comment block by pasting the snippet project connectDB. We can then collapse the comment block and the connection code if we want, and enter the main script inside the DB success trap. Let's do that. Start with a fresh untitled code pane. Go to snippets and paste the snippet project new script file. Enter the name alphacrmtablecreate.php and today's date. Click OK, and after the words "this script," document what your file is to do. In this case, this script creates tables tCompany and tPerson in the database alphacrm. Copy the file name, click Save, and with Ctrl-V, paste the file name. Make sure it's in the correct directory, dbwip, and save. We can now collapse the comment block and continue. We need to connect to the database, so we paste the script connectDB. We know precisely what that does. We've used it many times, so we can collapse it. And we're going to enter the main script between the if braces so that it only executes if the connection was successful. We've prepared a script in SQL project create tCompany, so we'll paste that in, and let's examine this. Notice it only comprises an SQL statement, quite a long one, and the execution command MySQL query, which executes the SQL statement which we created above. Notice how this long SQL statement is constructed. It's stored in the variable createCoy-table SQL, and we've used a variation of the concatenation operator, $, which means concatenate or append this string to the current value of the variable. It's critically important to remember to put spaces in the strings where necessary. And you'll notice before the closing quote mark of each string, there is a space. It's also critically important to remember to initialize the variable with the simple assignment operator so that the first line is just the is assigned the value of. So the first line reads is assigned the start of the SQL command, and the rest of the SQL command is appended sequentially through to the close bracket at the end.